Minister of Business, the Honorable HAIMRAJ Rajkumar, today took a tour of the Leguan Chip Factory. InfoHub's Gavin Lewis was there and has that story.
You know, we are creating some jobs for not only the workers here, but the farmers also will have a ready market for their produce, and I think that's a good thing. You know, I'm happy to know that within a few weeks, our initiative will be making a meaningful contribution to the people in Leguan and those, you know, who depend on this institution. I think it's a good initiative. Quite a lot of young people. I know that my vision is to create jobs, but more particularly to ensure that the younger person, the younger generation, benefit.
That was Minister of Business, the Honorable HAIMRAJ Rajkumar. According to LYNN Halls, the factory's supervisor, plant and produce should be expected in the next month.
At this stage, we intend to market the product local, especially to shop, supermarket, and later on with the collaboration of the GMC, we'd look for external.
The residents of Leguan are grateful for the training as it exposed them to better skills and future employment. For InfoHub, Gavin Lewis.